The Indian government on Tuesday issued fresh standard operating procedure for passengers arriving from UK amid fears of fast spread of a new and highly infectious COVID-19 strain in Britain. The country's Civil Aviation Ministry has already ordered suspension of UK-originated flights from Wednesday.
India's Health Ministry on Tuesday released new standard operating procedures or SOPs citing the new strain of coronavirus being detected in the United Kingdom. The ministry said SOPs are now required to be followed at all entry points into the country and within the community with regard to air passengers who have travelled or transited through the UK in the past 4 weeks, starting from November 25 to December 23. This comes as at least 5 people arriving in India from Britain tested positive for the novel coronavirus on Tuesday. But it was not clear if they had a highly infectious new strain of the virus.
डेटा भी बता रहा है कि अब जैसे लंदन में इंग्लैंड के अंदर 5-7 हज़ार केस आते थे, अब 30,000 से ज़्यादा पर डे केस आ रहे हैं, तो एकदम से काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्प्रेड वहाँ पर आया है और इसी वजह से कल हमने रिक्वेस्ट की थी केंद्र सरकार को कि भाई यूके से आने वाली सारी फ्लाइट्स को बंद किया जाए और केंद्र सरकार ने आज से सारी फ्लाइट्स बंद कर दी हैं.
Meanwhile, India is gearing up to facilitate transportation of the coronavirus vaccine with GMR Hyderabad Air Cargo among others, making necessary arrangements for the distribution of the vaccine. Expressing confidence in the working of Project Sanjeevani, which is related to handling and redistribution of coronavirus vaccines, a senior official said that both cargo terminals of the Delhi airport are equipped with cool chambers to handle the vaccines. India is making robust supply chain arrangements to ensure that the doses of the coronavirus vaccine reach its 1.3 billion people. The country on Tuesday recorded 19,556 new COVID-19 cases, the lowest in 6 months, according to data from the Health Ministry.